Hola, yo soy Dr. L y bienvenidos a Inglés para detallando autos. Hello, I'm Dr. L and welcome to Spanish for detailing cars. So this video is inspired from my time in high school when I worked at a body shop and would clean cars after school, and thinking of all the dust and dirt that was in the air for these cars from the body shop. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to share with you some vocabulary words and some verbs, and then put them into phrases that you can use for cleaning cars. Alright, vamos a empezar. El carro. So try rolling your R's with the double R. El carro for the car. El coche, the car. So in Spain they might use coche. In Latin America, el carro. El vehículo, the vehicle. El descapotable, the convertible. Un carro deportivo, a sports car. La camioneta, the truck, the van. Un SUV, an SUV. Sucio, dirty. Limpio, clean. La suciedad, the dirt. El jabón, the soap. El agua, the water. El balde, the bucket. El cepillo, the brush. La esponja, the sponge. El trapo, the rag. La toalla, the towel. La escalera, the ladder. La cera, the wax. La rueda, the wheel. El neumático, the tire. El parachoques, the bumper. El capó, the hood. La maleta, el baúl, the trunk. El espejo, the mirror. Las luces, the lights. El guardabarros, the fender or the mud flap. El intermitente, the blinker. El cromo, the chrome. El porta equipajes, the roof rack. La parrilla, the grill. Okay, this could be the food type of grill as well. La mancha, the stain. La aspiradora, the vacuum. La manguera, the hose. El volante, the steering wheel. Las alfombrillas, the floor mats. El tablero de mandos, the dashboard. La ventana, the window. El parabrisas, the windshield. La puerta, the door. El mango, the handle. El exterior, the exterior. El interior, the interior. So those words are the same between the languages, just the pronunciation is different. All right, let's take a look at some different verbs that you might use for detailing or cleaning cars. Lavar, to wash. Fregar, to scrub. Limpiar, to clean. Rociar, to spray. Enjuagar, to rinse. Secar, to dry. Aplicar, to apply. Pulir, to polish. Quitar, to take off. Pasar la aspiradora, to vacuum, or translates as to pass the aspirator. Poner, to put. Llevar, to bring. So notice how the double L in Spanish makes a Y sound. Llevar. Conducir, to drive. Aparcar, to park. Arrancar, to start. Apagar, to turn off. Abrir, to open. Cerrar, to close. right, now we're going to put those words and verbs together to make some phrases that you can use to talk to people about cleaning cars, about detailing cars in Spanish and in English. Rociar el carro con agua. Spray the car with water. Lava el auto con jabón y agua. Wash the car with soap and water. Enjuaga el vehículo. Rinse the vehicle. Seca la camioneta con la toalla. Dry the truck with the towel. Aplica la cera a la superficie. Apply the wax to the surface. No pongas la cera en las grietas. Don't put the wax in the cracks. Quita la cera con un trapo. Remove the wax with a rag. Lava las ventanas. Wash the windows. Tira la basura en el basurero. Throw the garbage in the garbage can. Pasa la aspiradora por el interior del carro. Vacuum the interior of the car. Limpia el tablero de mandos. Clean the dashboard. Aparca el coche en el estacionamiento. Park the car in the parking lot. Pule las ruedas. Polish the wheels. Conduce el carro al garaje. Drive the car to the garage. Abre el capó. Open the hood. Cierra la puerta. Close the door. Arranca la camioneta. Start the truck. Apaga el motor. Turn off the motor. All right, thanks for watching. Gracias por ver. This has been Spanish for detailing cars, Inglés para detallando autos. All right, hopefully you had the opportunity to learn some new phrases and some words to use on the job. All right, adios, hasta pronto, buena suerte.